bulb with me. This is not on. I don't even know if that bulb will fit. I just bought it. May God help us. So I'm going to find this jet. Yeah. Hi guys. So we're doing an unboxing right about now. I got a few items this week. Some I bought and some were from a brand. Yeah. So I'm going to get my scissors and then we can just look at it. Hey, I'm back. So yeah, we are going to just look at the things. A lot of them are things I've always wanted, and yeah, like I've been wanting for a long time, and I eventually got them. The first one we're going to be looking at is an extension for my tripod, like an overhead extension where I can do videos. It's going to be like this, where I can do videos from here. I don't know the words, guys, but I'm sure you get it. Or even if you don't get it right now, maybe I'll try to put a better description for you to see. Ooh. Oh, is that? I think that's. Oh, that's a gift that came with it. Unexpected, because I didn't know, I wasn't expecting. They didn't even tell me that. That's so cool. Thank you, A4 Trendy, for the gift. I hope I don't scratch this. I scratched it already. Yep. Here it is. You know, I technically thought I was going to have to buy the entire C-stand tripod, but I'm so grateful that I got this one, and this one can fit almost any size of tripod stem, should I say. I love it so much. I'm so happy about it. I love it so much. So I just attach it to my tripod. Let me bring one of the tripods to show you an example. So this is one of my makeshift tripods. It's actually a stand from one of my lights. I think my other lights, my LED lights. So what we're gonna do is just pull it to where you want it to be. If you want it to be here, for example, put it here. Screw it. I don't know if you can see it. I think I might need to do an actual video for you to see it properly. And yeah, make it tight, and then put your phone here, so face down. Yep, and then you'll be able to video whatever you want to video. Yeah, so can you see? I love it so much. I'm so happy. And then an extra rotating head, I think that's what it's called, where you can attach it here. Get any angle at all. Wow, so cool. You can even like turn it to this side and do like, I'm so in fact I love this so much. You can even like switch it here, where So you need to tighten it when you switch. Switch, make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight. And then you can video. This is so cool. I love it so much. Can't wait to do all sorts of things with it. Yeah, moving on from this one. And the next package is from Shop Everything GH. I think so. Hope I got it right. Anyways, I'll put the name for you to see. Wall hangers that come in sticker form. I got about 10 of them, and then I got this seed for flour. I love it. I saw it. So instead of having to work it yourself, you just mechanical. Yeah. And even has measurement indicators. I love it. Always seen it in people's videos on Instagram, and I always liked it. I can't wait to bake something or make something with this. And the next is this one. It's like a rack for your shelf, for example. This one is a bit big, but it's supposed to stay like this on your shelf. This is too big. Let's try. I'm going to have to show you how this works some other time. Okay, and then I got this box from Body Essentials. Let me bring out look. I don't want to turn it over, just so that the things don't spill. But here is their brand, Body Essentials. Body Essentials. They are like a wellness brand, cosmetics too. They make skincare, hair care, self-care items generally. Yeah. Let's see what's inside it. I'm definitely going to do an actual unboxing for Instagram. But right now, let's just check out what's in here. I'm going to be careful because I'm going to have to seal it again. Ooh, there's a card. Oh, that's so cool. And it says, "Hi Whitney, we hope you enjoy the goodness of our products. Thank you. Have a lovely hair wash day from the bottom of our hearts." I love it. Thank you, Body Essentials on Instagram. Yes. There's just like a flyer that tells you everything that they sell. Oh, they have candles. Yes, I think I mentioned that already. They have lip balms, shower sets, bathroom sets, skincare sets, soaps, and all. They say their products are ethically made, cruelty-free, plant-based, and eco-glass bottles. That's so cool. Okay, I'm excited. Wow, and look at what the box looks like. The inside of the box. Can you see? It looks so vintage and African and everything. And these are the products. I'm not going to open them right now because I want to do the Instagram unboxing, so you have to check it out. And I can't wait to wash my hair with these items. It's a shampoo and conditioner set. Woo! Thank you so much, Skin Essentials. I am really excited. And now that I have my C-stand, whatever, tripod, I'm going to be able to make an overhead kind of video for this unboxing, because it was always difficult holding the phone over the tripod. Holding the phone over the item you are trying to make a video of, and still unboxing the thing at the same time. Like, it's so chaotic. But thank God I have that stand now. It's going to be super easy. And then even when I'm creating my food content, that's going to help a lot. So grateful for that. Yep. Okay, guys. Yeah, and we're looking at more items. I got these baking items and equipment from GUG Kitchenware _ Plastics. We're starting with these colorful measuring cups and spoons. They are so bright and beautiful. I love them so much. And next up is the silicone pastry brush. It's soft, durable, and super pretty. And look at this beautiful, radiant yellow silicone spatula. It's literally the holy grail. It swipes butter bowls clean and does literally all mixing and sauteing perfectly. It also matches my beautiful comfy air fryer. Moving on to the star of this unboxing show, my DSP butter and dough mixer. If you see me, just hug me and give me money, because yeah, it came with the dough hook for kneading bread, donuts and stuff, and then the butter hook for cake mixes and everything. And finally, the powerhouse for this mixer. It has 4 spade switches. I was so happy to know that it came with a stainless steel mixing bowl as opposed to a plastic one. Of course, we have to give a moment for the bubble wrap. And then this is the stand, which makes the mixing totally hands-free. This is really great for me because, like, when I'm trying to make content, I can just put it down on its own and it will do its thing. All these items are definitely money's worth. Be sure to shop with these vendors. Just go ahead and check out their page. You'll find a lot of things that you would need. Now I'll let you go ahead and watch the rest of the video. This is a very good time to hit the subscribe button, especially if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Hey y'all. Hi. So I'm having the leftover of this my ayoyo soup that we call ewedu in Nigeria. I heat it up and I'm enjoying the rest. Apparently, I've noticed that Ghanaian meals are always, their meal portions are always very large. Very large. And it's actually good. It tastes really good. I love it. And I ordered it off Haptel. Excuse me. I ordered it off Haptel and I like it so much. And it really wasn't expensive. It wasn't even up to 40 cedis. And I got 2 meals. Yep. The delivery was really quick too. I used to use Bolt Food, Glovo previously, but it would take so long. By the time I think of how long it would take me to have my food delivered, I'll just be like, let me make something and eat, because why does it take that long? And the food will be expensive. Hey, you can see food of 70 cedis. Like, why? just finished doing an unboxing video and I'm so tired. Yeah. And then I have some work to do before I go to bed.